Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Oh god, this is like the glow is giving 10 over 10. Yeah, so guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. Hi guys, good evening. This is 6 o'clock because they just announced 6 o'clock on the FM. Yeah, they just announced 6 o'clock on the FM, and yeah, I didn't go to the shop today. I decided to take a rest today. Today is Monday, so I am going now to go and make cornrows in a salon. Yeah, I just thought I should update you guys, and I will talk to you guys much later. Bye. Two chicken. Okay. Is it two chicken? With them separated, they want to give me two chicken.
Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. Love is calling.
How much is
Stay
it?
a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. Love is calling.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
How much is it?
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time. In the bathtub, we don't gotta rush now. Never gonna rush now. Our life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show.
Hi guys, good morning. This is the next day of this vlog. You guys, it is this glow for me. Like, I'm not using any ring light. This is direct sunlight. As you can see, that is my window. So guys, this is currently 9:40. This is my cornrows, the one I told you guys I was going to go and make yesterday. I couldn't show you guys everything because I went there. I told you guys it was after 6 and I was rushing everything, rushing to come back home. Right now I want to make one of the most simplest soup, which is draw soup. So let's get right into the video. So you guys, right here I have my ogbono, grounded ogbono. I have my ugu, I have my Cameroon pepper. Like, I have everything prepped before this is how I normally prep my things whenever I want to cook. So here is the seasoning. I'm using 3 Mr. Chef and 2 no. Here is the okra, and this is the fish I'm going to be making use of, and this is crayfish. Here is the palm oil, salt to taste. You guys, I already have my water in here, and here's the meat. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. I know I've said that before, I know, but yeah, so you guys, here is the ogbono as I said earlier. So I'm going to be adding some of this palm oil into the ogbono just to melt it. Because I blended this ogbono last week Saturday, and it has been in my freezer. If not, I don't need to melt it, I will just put it directly. That is how I normally do my own. So all of them are not melted. I'm going to be going in, putting it in like that. It will melt when the oil is hot. So right now I'm going to go ahead and wash the dry fish with warm water. So this is hot water rather that I boiled earlier. I'm going to be pouring out the water and then debone the fish and yeah. This is our fish. Okay, I'm done prepping it. I don't know the length of my ring light. I don't know what she's doing, but I'm going to show you guys the soup later, because if I bring it closer, more closer than this, it's going to fall. It's not standing well. I don't know why it's behaving that way. So let's go in with our seasoning. Okay, time to go in with the Cameroon pepper. I don't feel like putting this pepper now, but I have to put everything and then allow it to boil. So it's time to go in with it. And then I'll be going in with the dry fish. Let's cover it and allow it to cook. Yeah, it's boiling very well. And it's time to go in with the meat. I'm supposed to be going in with, I'm supposed to be putting the meat on the meat broth, but I won't be doing that because I already added enough water here earlier. I may be adding water later, but definitely not now, so that our soup will not be too watery. I'm going to go in with some salt. Alright, let's cover again and check on our soup. I don't know why my dog is doing. As you can see, guys, our soup, I won't say it's coming together, it has come together. Okay, so it's time to go in with the blended crayfish, and then here is the okra. Some people used to add their crayfish after they've added everything. Are you in that team? If you're in that team, please do let me know. For me, as a matter of fact, I added it a little bit late. Like for me, I mostly used to add my okra as soon as I finish adding other ingredients. I'll add it. I don't add it much later. Vegetable comes last.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up?
Pumpkin leaf.
Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup.
What do you think about okra? Is it also a vegetable? Please do let me know in the comment section. Because I said vegetable comes last, like while I was putting the pumpkin leaf. Who also for okra? Vegetable. Please, you're in that team, let me know in the comment section. I'll just boil for a few seconds and yeah, voila, our soup will be ready. Time to clear here.
Don't gotta rush now. in a rush, no. It's in slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.
To see if I can.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Baby, I like it like that. Let me show you guys this soup. Let me show you guys, okay? So you guys, check out my okra. This is okra on point, 10 over 10 minus nothing. Yeah, see you guys
when I wake up,
Bye.
I feel cozy, yeah.
I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.